Hello, my name is Ki-Sun Kim. I'd like to discuss about the case study, the Crowded Clinic. Agenda is improving access to health care is crucial for providing quality care to all patients. The community health center providing primary care to multi-ethnic, multilingual urban community is facing several challenges in scheduling patients' visits. The wait time is as long as 6 to 8 months, leading to patients walking in without appointments. The high no-show rate of 20 to 40%, every other appointment is double booked, leading to a chaotic work environment when most patients show up, including a significant number of acutely ill patients. Better insured and English-speaking patients getting better access than others. Challenge in access to health care is number one is long wait time, number two high in no-show rate, number three unequal access. So strategy for improving access to healthcare is reduce wait time by increasing the number of providers, extending clinic hours, adjust the high no-show rate by implementing a reminder system or penalizing patients who fail to show up, and promote equitable access by providing interpreter service or hiring multilingual staff. So who or what role of other disciplines? Health administration provide leadership and guidance. Nursing is inform appointment and remind about them. Social worker is can work with the patient to address the underlying issue that contribute to missed appointments, such as transportation or child care. So what is the proposed solution? So just implementing a reminder system to reduce the no-show rate, and explain how the reminder system could work, such as through automated phone call, text message, or email reminder. Discuss the potential benefits of the reminder system, such as reducing wait time and improving the work environment. So what is the barrier to implementing the solution? Financial constraint. Implementing reminder system may require an investment in technology or staff. Number two is technological challenge. Patients may not have access to technology required for the reminder system, such as smartphone or computers. Number three, resistant to change. Patients or staff may resist the change in the appointment scheduling process, leading to challenge in implementing the reminder system. So in conclusion, improving access to healthcare is crucial for providing quality care to all patients, particularly those in vulnerable communities. The challenges faced by community health centers in providing access to care can be complex, but implementing strategies such as a reminder system and utilizing the skills of other disciplines can help to overcome these challenges. While barriers to implementing these solutions exist, overcoming them can lead to improved access to care, reduce wait time, and ultimately better health outcome for patients. By working together and prioritizing equitable access to care, we can improve the health and the well-being of all members of our community. Thank you for watching the presentation.